Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this unit or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Very nice truck here, 2014 GMC Sierra. As you can see, it is white in color and in very good condition. As you can see on the front end, it also does have the upgraded monitoring system that runs along the front bumper. Very nice upgraded rims. As you can see there, they're completely chrome, and it does have a 20-inch rim. I'm sorry, it has a 275/60 tire on that, and I'd say the tread depth on those is roughly 70%. So plenty of tread depth left in them tires. Factory step-up bars running along the side. And I did not mention this vehicle does have 90,000 miles on it. Rear monitoring system, just like the front, definitely helps you when getting into them tight parking spots. It also does have a factory backup camera, which is located right here. Trailer brake hook on it, tow package on this vehicle, so you're also going to have your tow hitch down here and your 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup. This is an SLT model, if I did not mention it up front, so it's going to have a lot of the bells and whistles on this truck compared to most. And as you can see, just by walking around it, you do have them upgraded rims, the chrome front bumper, the front monitoring systems, and the rear monitoring systems on this truck. Leather seating throughout, as you can see. It also does have a power seat, and it does have memory seating for up to 2 people in this vehicle. And it does have power side mirrors, and it does have power locks and power windows. Upgraded rubber floor mats throughout. All in all, it's in very good condition, I would say. Automatic overhead headlighting, which is located right here. All your cruise control functions are located right here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And on the right, we do have capability of programming your phone directly into this vehicle, so you can no longer have to reach for your phone while driving down the road. Simply hit the phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. These knobs over here are going to be all for your instrument cluster, located here in the center of the dash. And on the back of the steering wheel, you can also operate your radio as far as your volume or changing the channel. This is a touchscreen radio, very nice radio. AM, FM, and it also does have factory navigation built into this truck. Show me right there, as you can see. All your radio knobs are located here in the center, and then you do have capability to operate your dual climate control located right here in this center section. Power foot pedestals, a large storage compartment in here, and it does have some hookups as far as power goes, as you can see. Cup holders, a nice storage, nice armrest. Storage compartment located over here, a very large one. Passenger seat seems to be in very good condition, just like the driver. Same rubber floor mat, just like the driver's side. Upgraded radio system. This does have the Bose radio system in this truck. Back seat, just like the front, very good condition. Does not show any wear back here whatsoever. It does have child safety hooks on this vehicle, so the 2 outside seats, you can tether a car seat in safely and securely. Rear cup holders with armrest, and it also does have a rear defrostable window. So if you're looking for a really nice GMC Sierra, 90,000 miles on it, chrome rims, leather seating, upgraded radio, all the bells and whistles you could imagine, backup camera, front and rear monitoring system, this may be the truck for you. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.